In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save tabs in Google Chrome. If you've ever closed your browser and wished you could open it later with all the same pages ready to go, there's a simple built-in setting that takes care of it automatically. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, Chrome will remember your open tabs every time you start it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular browsing window and not using incognito mode. Incognito sessions are private and, by design, won't be restored when you reopen the browser. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu button that houses most of Chrome's tools and preferences. When the menu opens, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's options laid out in a clear, organized view. On the Settings page, find the section labeled On Startup. On desktop, you'll see it listed in the left-hand sidebar. If you're already inside another settings area, just click on Startup to switch to it. In On Startup, you'll see a few choices for what Chrome should do when it launches. Select Continue where you left off. The moment you click it, your choice is saved. There's no extra save button to press or anything else to confirm. That's all you need to do. From now on, whenever you close Chrome and then open it again, it will automatically reload the same tabs you had open previously, so you can pick up exactly where you left off. If you were working with multiple windows, Chrome generally brings those back too, keeping your workspace intact. If you want to double-check that it's working, try this quick test. Open a couple of tabs, close Chrome completely, and then reopen it. You should see those same pages come right back. If they don't, confirm that you weren't using an incognito window and that Continue where you left off is still selected in Settings. A few notes to keep in mind. If your browser is managed by an organization, some settings may be controlled by an administrator, and you might see a notice about that in Settings. Also, if you use tools that clear data on exit, your tabs can still restore, but you may be signed out of websites when they reload. And that's it. Your tabs are now saved automatically in Google Chrome. This is especially handy for research, reading, and multitasking, so your next session starts right where you stopped.